I'm Karen, and this is Scents with Karen, where I give you my common sense on my favorite scents by Scentsy. Now today is a different video. We're not going to be talking about scents or anything. We're going to be talking about the other products that Scentsy sells that aren't warmers or wax. Obviously my favorites, but for those who have a different lifestyle than mine, probably cheaper, I'm going to be showing you guys some other options. Now, I have this with me, the other ones I don't, but this is the washer whiffs. Now, my favorite thing about the washer whiffs is that, so they come in these little crystals, right? And they smell amazing. Smell almost like a Bed Bath & Beyond. I love that smell, the smell of coupons. Anyway, so you can put this in your laundry and it's great, but the other products that they have are baby blankets. Very cute, very adorable. We also have an array of car items. So it makes your car smell really good, because trust me, I know bringing those kids to soccer practice and basketball and even hockey, you know, it gets really stinky and we don't want that. And so Scentsy really offers an amazing alternative to having a stinky car. So obviously, if you guys want to see some more things, we also have cleaning products and whatnot, but if you guys want to see some more, you guys can click the link down below. We'll talk all about that in another video. If you guys want, you can take a look at online catalogs or just some regular catalogs, because they're really amazing, and I love you guys.